Ooh, this question's fun. Do we go in your crawl space? The answer is yes. Do we want to be in your crawl space? Probably not. Do you want to be in your crawl space? Probably not. Crawl spaces are typically not the cleanest place. Usually a lot of spiders, all sorts of things hang out down there. You would be surprised what we find. But at the end of the day, it's part of our job. We want to make sure we do a thorough inspection for you, so we do go in there. Sometimes we will recommend to you, if it is too bad or we see certain things, to get it fumigated or have pest control, different things like that come out prior to us going in there, just for our health and safety. Backstory, I ran into one a couple years ago, saw a snake skin at the front entrance of the crawl space, did not go in there, told the homeowner, I need to have you have animal control come out, take a look, and make sure there is no snakes in there. I hate snakes. And definitely don't need to be in a crawl space with one. So that is why we make sure our safety of our employees is top notch, but then also we want to make sure we still get in there and give you a thorough inspection. So yes, we will go in your crawl space. If you have any additional questions that we haven't been able to answer in this video, by all means, click the Get Started button or give us a call at the office. We'd be glad to answer any additional questions that you may have, or go ahead and schedule your free foundation inspection to get you rolling, to get you the answers you need.